Welcome to CarWheeze. Here, we bring you the smartest, coolest, and most useful car gadgets and accessories that make every ride better. If you love cars and innovation, you're in the right place. Let's hit the road together. Keeping your car clean just got a whole lot easier with the cleaning ramp. This simple but powerful tool lifts your car just enough to give you easy access to the undercarriage, tires, and hard-to-reach areas. Whether you're washing off dirt, mud, or road salt, the ramp gives you the perfect angle for a deep, thorough clean. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and strong enough to handle most vehicles. No more struggling with tight spaces with the cleaning ramp. You can clean like a pro right in your own driveway. Upgrade your ride instantly with the Smart Film for Car available on Amazon. With just one touch, this high-tech film switches from clear to tinted, giving you instant privacy and protection from harsh sunlight. No more cheap shades or struggling with heat. The Smart Film blocks UV rays, keeps your car cooler, and adds a modern premium look. It's easy to install and fits perfectly on most windows. Get it on Amazon and enjoy comfort, privacy, and style all at the press of a button. Keeping your car spotless has never been easier with the brushless motor blower available on Amazon. This powerful blower uses a brushless motor to deliver strong, consistent airflow that reaches every corner of your vehicle, removing dust, dirt, and debris effortlessly. From floor mats and seats to dashboards, air vents, and the trunk, its performance makes cleaning fast and thorough. Designed for durability, it runs quieter and lasts longer than traditional blowers. Its lightweight, portable design lets you clean anywhere, at home or on the go. Plug it in, turn it on, and watch your car transform with professional-level cleanliness in minutes. No more struggling with hard-to-reach spots or paying for expensive detailing. With the brushless motor blower from Amazon, you get efficiency, power, and convenience all in one tool, keeping your car fresh, clean, and ready to impress every single day. Making car rides safe and comfortable for your pets is now easier than ever with the Pet Loader available on Amazon. This innovative tool allows your furry friends to get in and out of your car effortlessly, eliminating heavy lifting and awkward jumps. It's designed for pets of all sizes, with a sturdy, non-slip surface that keeps them secure while entering or exiting your vehicle. The Pet Loader folds compactly for easy storage, but opens quickly when you need it, so you can take it anywhere, from home to road trips and even outdoor adventures. No more scratches on your seats or struggling to lift your dog or cat safely into the car. Its durable, lightweight design ensures long-lasting use, while the gentle slope protects joints and prevents accidents. The Pet Loader from Amazon is perfect for pet lovers who want convenience, safety, and peace of mind on every journey, allowing your pets to ride comfortably while keeping your car clean and your mind worry-free. Drive with confidence and safety using the dash cam backup camera available on Amazon. This advanced camera system provides a clear, wide-angle view of the road behind your car, helping you park and reverse with ease and precision. No more guessing or risking accidents in tight spaces. The dash cam backup camera captures every detail, even in low light or bad weather conditions. Its high-resolution lens records crisp footage, while the built-in dash cam feature keeps a continuous record of your drives for security and peace of mind. Installation is quick and simple with adjustable angles to fit most vehicles, so you can start using it immediately. The camera alerts you to obstacles and moving objects behind your car, enhancing safety for you, passengers, and pedestrians. Also, with its durable and weather-resistant design, you can rely on it for daily use without worry. The Dashcam backup camera from Amazon combines convenience, safety, and technology in one essential tool, ensuring every drive is secure, stress-free, and fully monitored, so you can focus on the road ahead and enjoy peace of mind every time you get behind the wheel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the latest car gadgets here at CarWise. Drive smart, drive safe.